Hey guys, how's it going? What's up? Long time no see. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just get to the point. I don't know if you've taken a look at my bucket list on my website, Mort.ca. Check it out. One of you may have noticed that number 38, solve a 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube, is not crossed off. But Matt, haven't you solved it before? Yes, it is true. I have made a video in the past. I have solved the Rubik's Cube about 3 times. More than 3 times. I knew how to do it, then I forgot, and I learned it again, and I forgot, and here I am, forgetting again. I forgot how I can't do it. Look, I usually get a lot farther than this. I realize now that I've gone way worse than I remember. I can only get 1 layer. That's it. I don't remember how to get the next pieces. Usually I use cheats and look up YouTube tutorials, but this time I'm going to try it on my own. This is a lot tougher than I thought. Yeah! I remember! Oh my god! So I got the second layer done. That's so exciting. Oh, it just happened. I'm super close now. I just need 1, 2, 3 pieces. Good to go. Taz, I can't use tutorials. I'm not gonna do it.
Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to solve
I didn't do it. Bam! Well, that was a weird reaction. I'm gonna mess it up. I'm gonna figure it out. Pretty sure I've got it down. Practice makes perfect. I'll get used to it. I'll go faster and faster. Bam! There we go! Only took like maybe 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Overall, it probably took like 2 hours. Now the real challenge is to keep it up. I gotta practice this every day so that I don't forget. The next challenge is gonna be in solving this guy here. Oh boy.